Good morning, students. Now in chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Next exercise is exercise 13.8. So in this exercise, we are going to learn about volume of a sphere. So sphere is a three-dimensional shape, means solid figure. Suppose O is the center, R is the radius of the sphere, so its diameter D will be 2 into radius, clear? And volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now hemisphere, so hemisphere its radius is r. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Radius of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now see the questions related to volume of spheres and volume of hemispheres. So question number 1, find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter, and second part, radius is 0.63 centimeter. Now first part, radius of sphere r is 7 centimeter given. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of pi and r and calculate it. Then you can find volume of the sphere. Similarly, in second part also radius is given. You have to find its volume. To apply the formula, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of pi and r and calculate it. Then you can find volume of the sphere. Clear? Now next question. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the metal weight 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? Clear? So here weight of 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So weight of per centimeter cube is given here. So we have to find volume of the metallic ball. So diameter of the ball is given. Find its radius. Radius will be diameter upon 2, which will be equal to 2.1 centimeter. Now volume of the metallic ball. The volume of metallic ball will be volume of the sphere, because ball is spherical. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now put the value of pi and r and calculate it. Then you have volume of the metallic ball. Now density, you know that unit of density is kg per meter cube or gram per centimeter cube. So here density of the metal is given. It means mass of 1 centimeter cube is 8.9 gram. So mass of 38.808 centimeter cube will be equal to 8.9 into 38.808. Now calculate it. Then you have mass of the metallic ball. Clear, students? Now see the next question. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical ball of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So here diameter of hemispherical bowl is given. Hemispherical bowl. Clear? So hemispherical bowl means this shape. Hemispherical bowl, its diameter is given 10.5. So radius will be 10.5 upon 2, 5.25. Clear? You have to find how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl. Clear? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? It means you have to find volume of hemispherical bowl. So volume of hemispherical bowl means volume of hemisphere this will be equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Put the value of pi and r and calculate it. Then you have volume of hemispherical bowl. Now we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So you have to convert it in liter. So to convert centimeter cube into liter, you have to divide it by 1000. So divide it 1000, then you have the answer 0.303 liters. Clear, students? Now you have to solve exercise 13.8 with example. Okay, students? Thank you.